Hello guys, so until now everything we built including the complete trailer and the next gen transformer project was based on entirely on Killing 2.0, but now a new version is about to launch, Killing 3.0, and honestly I'm super excited about this release. I'm really looking forward to testing this model hands on, pushing it to its limits and creating high quality images, cinematic videos and short tutorials. So you can clearly see the real difference between Killing 2.5 and Killing 3.0. The results from 2.5 were already very impressive, solid quality, smooth motion and strong output overall. But now all eyes are on 3.0 because this version is expected to take things to the next level. On the screen right now you can see some early tutorials and sample tutorials output from 3.0, and even from these previews the improvement in detailed motion and realism is clearly visible. We are talking about better frame quality, stronger motion stability, native 4.0 output, smoother camera movement and much cleaner results across longer clips. 3.0 also brings sharper text, better micro text, micro details, improved facial quality, strong instructions following and more consistent multi-shoot sequences. On top of that, we are seeing 60 fps video generation, cleaner close-up, sharper text clarity, fewer glitches, smoother transitions, much stronger scene-to-scene continuity, making the output far more production ready. These also talk of a more unified experience, moving beyond 1080p and fully publishing towards native 4K at 60 fps. So yes, I'm extremely excited for Killing 3.0. Once it's live, I'll be testing it deeply, comparing it with previous version and sharing details, breakdowns and tutorials right here on this channel. Stay tuned, the next generation of AI video creation is coming. So let's get started.
सर्दी आ रही है.
Okay, so open your browser, type here Higgsfield. This is the first link, higgsfield.ai. Click over this website. So this is the interface of higgsfield.ai website. Let's start from the top here on the navigation bar. Let me quickly show you what each section does. Explore shows feature tools, trending creations and new AI features. Here images, this is where you generate high quality AI images using different models. Here the model listed and the features are also there. In videos, here you create AI videos, cinematic shots, motion based scenes and auto sync clips. Edit lets you modify existing images or videos, light in paint, upscale, stylize. Character is used for face swap, character swap and identity based generation. In Paint, with Paint you select a specific area and tell AI what to change. This is very powerful. Cinema Studio, this is the most important and professional feature of Higgsfield. We'll deep dive into here. Next is Motion Control. Motion Control allows you to control camera movement using references. Assets, Apps, Community. These sections help with AI guidance, tools and community inspirations. Let's start with Cinema Studio. So here let me show you how I create these videos using the images and what is the process I have followed. I'm going to here image section. For every video I generated first the images, then I converted those images into the video in a cinematic form. See here, this is the image and here is the prompt, complete prompt. You can see here I uploaded my images for model know about the characters. So for that here I uploaded the prompts. Let me create this again, like, share and subscribe, this one image. I just copy this prompt here and paste it over here. And see here, choose our model, whatever the model is. I choose Nano Banana Pro for this complete video. Aspect ratio, whatever the ratio, I want 16:9. So I selected this one. Quality, I want 4K quality. Batch size, like how much images you want. I want 2 images. Okay, click over this generate button. I filled here 2 batch size, so it will generate 2 images. Here I want to create one more scene which is remaining, so I'm just going to my folder here, discussion scene here. So just I drag and drop this image here. First scene is this one. Now provide the next image, which is this over here. Give them 10 seconds, 1 frame, generate.
Okay, so video is generated. Let's see the results. Okay, both are here. Then going to Minishoot. Okay, that's nice. That's it. Okay, let's see the images. Failed to read credit refunded. Okay, this is not generated. Okay, so here like, share and subscribe. This is one image is generated, and one more option is there. Open in. I want to see this one image in the different angles. So for that, just over here, right side. Okay guys, if you enjoy AI tech and feature edit tools, do subscribe to Mr. Techie and explore Hicksfield.ai. Bye.